Wel, mae Marwy, mae'r foment fawr fan hyn ym Mhencampwriaeth adran y defed smotog o'r Iseldiroedd. Ali Jackson, mon fe oedd yn y ras. Y ddafod flwydd oedd wedi ennill sydd efrog a'r hwrdd.
Odi, ware teg, mae wedi gwneud yn arbennig. A diolch i ddiw weda i bod y ddafod yn mynd i fynd â hi. Mae fe'n browd o'na, achos mlaen â hi fel wedes i at y nesaf nawr. Y fori neu wrth gwrs drannodd, felly llongyfarchiadau.
Chwarae teg arbennig o ddaw ar y teg, a wedyn Megan Rowlandson o Gymria yn ennill y gil wobr.
A mae'n wen o glist i glist, mae yn falch yn dwi. Chwarae teg.
Ond Ali Jackson, dwi'n siŵr i fod e'n hynod falch. Ar y ddad enfawr yw fe, mae'n siŵr.
Odi, mae yn. Ond mae e'n fysi, mae e'n meddwl am y Beltex a'r hein.
A ennill Pencampwriaeth y glas Brydeinig ddoed y gwartheg.
Odi, ie. Felly...
Tipyn o sioe iddo fe barod.
Ie, wythnos both yn wir ystyr y gair iddo fe, os ma'n, dwi.
Ie, glei. Wel, diolch o galon i tîm y fanwy, a phob lwc i ti gyda'r ddiadau lla olwen wrth gwrs i'r dyfodol. Ond nawr, fe a i mlaen i gael sgwrs gyda'r enillydd. Well done, you.
Big risk, but paid off.
It paid off, yes. And why is she so special?
I don't know. She just knows she's good. You know, when she gets out and about, she just stands up with her head up and yeah.
She shows off.
Yeah, she does. Yeah, she's very correct. You know, she's very correct. So.
And why did you start in this breed? Why did you choose it?
Just the colouring and you know I don't know, they're attractive to look at and you know, a great carcass. They are really good carcass. So.
I think they'll be a dangerous breed for the future.
I think so. So here's hoping.
So you've won with the cows, with the...
Yeah, boss, with our work, we won with the British Blues yesterday, so yeah, it was good. That was good as well. So Blue Texels this afternoon, so see how they go.
Yeah, well, good luck with that as well.
Thank you.
Da iawn.
Cheers.